Today, we are exploring the interesting field of vocabulary building by active method. Let's introduce the word through the following example. During an illness at the time of an exam, it is crucial to inform the teacher and school authorities about the reason for your absence. The best way to do this is by writing a sick leave letter that explains your illness. So, what's the right way to handle this situation? Can you tell the other word for the way or method to handle the situation? Yes, correct word is approach. The correct approach or way or method is to inform the teacher or school authorities as soon as you know you won't be able to attend the exam. Now let's learn the meaning of word approach. The word approach meaning is a way or method of dealing with something, the act of coming near or closer to something. What are the synonyms of word approach? Synonyms of the word approach are method, strategy, technique. Path. What are the antonyms of the word approach? Antonyms of the word approach are departure, avoidance, retreat. Let's make the use of word approach in phrase, clause, simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence, and compound complex sentences. Phrase, proper approach. Example, writing a sick leave letter is the proper approach in this situation. Clause, when the proper approach was followed. Example, when the proper approach was followed, the school authorities were understanding about the absence. Simple sentence, a single independent clause. Example, the student chose the right approach by informing the teacher about the illness. Compound sentence, two independent clauses joined by a coordinating conjunction. Example, the approach seemed straightforward, but some students still forgot to inform the authorities. Complex sentence, one independent clause and at least one dependent clause. Example, although the approach of writing a sick leave letter was simple, it ensured there were no misunderstandings later. Complex compound sentence, two independent clauses and at least one dependent clause. Example, the proper approach was to notify the school as soon as possible, and the student did so promptly, even though they were feeling unwell. In this way, we have come across the word approach by active method. We learn the meaning of word approach, its synonyms and antonyms, and learn to make use of the word approach